With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the given question is a hollow sphere filled with water. Filled with water is used as the bob of a pendulum. Assume that the equation for simple pendulum is valid with the distance between the point of suspension and center of mass of the bob acting as the effective length of the pendulum. If the water slowly leaks out of the bob, how will the time period vary? So we are given with a bob, simple pendulum having a bob, and this is filled with water, and is filled with water. As we know that the time period of simple pendulum is given by t equals to 2 pi root L by G, where L is effective length or the distance between point of suspension and center of mass of bob So as we see that if the bob is filled with water, so the L will be, the center of mass of bob will be here, so this will be L. Now gradually the water will leak out, the water will leak out from this. So what we see that the water level will decrease in this. So suppose the water level is now this much. Now water level is this much, so the center of mass will shift downward somewhere here. So the effective length will increase, L dash will increase. So if the L dash will increase, now the time period will increase. So as the water leaks out, the time period will increase. Now the time period will increase till the moment all the water comes out. Now as soon as the bob becomes empty, so there is no water inside this, then the center of mass will again shift to its original position. So now the L dash becomes L. So the time period will decrease again. So first the time period will increase, as the water is leaking out. Then suddenly, as soon as the last drop of water comes out, the center of mass will shift to its original position. Then the time period will decrease. Then when the last drop of water comes out from the bob, then the center of mass of hollow bob will again shift to its original position. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.